Here are the resonator screens on the passenger side, and here are the resonator screens on the driver's side. So let me go ahead and get the aluminum tape, put some tape around them, and we'll do a cold start and then climb in the truck, see what it sounds like. Look at that beautiful tape job. Both sides are now taped up, and we are ready to listen to it, see if it's any louder. I'm driving around. I'm not really seeing much of a difference or hearing much of a difference. So I don't know that that really does anything. If anything, it's minimal. I know when I get on it, it's loud, but it's loud without the resonator screens covered. So I can't really say that it makes much of a difference. If you want to experiment with this, I got Harbor Freight aluminum tape. It says it's flame retardant. So if you want to test it out yourself, it was only like $7 for a roll of that. But as far as I'm concerned, there's not a lot of difference. So it's just a fun little test to see if it does make a difference. I don't think it does. I did notice that the idle seemed a little, I mean minimal, a little bit louder. Like when I'm sitting at stop signs, I feel like I can hear it a little more. And when it's just sitting in the driveway, it seems like it might idle a little louder. Well, that pretty much does it here today. I don't know that I would recommend wasting your time and money taping up the resonators. Maybe cutting them off might make more of a difference, but I don't think it's worth it. So, but I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, see y'all.